If one fixture backs up while others drain normally, you likely have a toilet clog. But if several fixtures back up together, think main sewer line. Start by running a simple isolation test. Flush the toilet once and then run the bathroom sink for 30 seconds while watching the toilet bowl and listening to the tub or shower drain. If water gurgles in the bowl or backs up into the tub, the blockage is beyond the toilet, usually in the branch or main line. Check other bathrooms on different floors. If a basement shower or floor drain backs up when an upstairs toilet is flushed, that points to a mainline clog. Lift the lid on the closest cleanout if you have one, and carefully loosen the cap. If sewage is standing or surges out, that confirms a mainline problem. For a suspected toilet clog, use a closet auger, which is a short, stiff snake designed for toilets, and feed it gently while cranking until resistance clears, then flush twice with a half bucket of warm water to test flow. For a suspected mainline issue, avoid using water everywhere and schedule a professional with a full-size drain machine and a camera inspection, since forcing water can push sewage into low fixtures. Prevent future clogs by using thin, septic-safe paper, limiting flushable wipes, which often are not truly flushable, and scheduling a cleaning and camera check every few years in older homes or those with large trees. 3 common mistakes trip people up here. They plunge aggressively and overflow the bowl because the trap is airbound. Instead, let the bowl water settle. Create a tight seal with a flange plunger and use slow, steady pushes to move air first then water. They snake the toilet with a long, flexible cable meant for sinks and scratch the porcelain or get stuck. Use a closet auger with a rubber guard and keep the cable short and controlled. They keep running faucets and the dishwasher during a suspected mainline backup and flood the lowest drain. Stop all water use, open the cleanout to relieve pressure if safe, and call a pro before damage spreads. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local plumbing contractors who can handle toilet clogs or main sewer line issues fast. We also help contractors get discovered by nearby customers. And we host a friendly discussion community where we all share tips, before and after stories, and practical advice that helps everyone solve problems smarter.